Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel, and our today's topic of our video is Mandala's artwork. So mandalas are a form of geometric art that have been used for centuries as a spiritual and meditative tool. One artist who has gained recognition for their mandala artwork is Mandala, also known as Yusuf Ali. Mandala is a contemporary artist based in Indonesia, whose work has gained a following around the world. Mandala's art is characterized by its intricate, detailed designs that are rich in color and pattern. Each piece is carefully crafted by hand with a focus on symmetry and balance. The result is a stunning array of mandalas that draw the viewer in and invite contemplation. One of the unique features of Mandala's artwork is the use of traditional Indonesian motifs and symbols. These elements are seamlessly incorporated into the mandalas, creating a fusion of traditional and contemporary art form. Additionally, mandala's use of bright, bold colors and gold leaf accents adds an extra layer of depth and texture to each piece. Another defining aspect of Mandala's art is the spiritual element that underpin each piece. Mandalas, Mandalas have long been used as a tool for meditation and self-reflection, and Mandala's work stays true to this tradition. Each piece invites the viewers to slow down and contemplate the intricate patterns and details, creating a sense of calm and introspection. Mandala's artwork has gained a following around the world with exhibitions in countries such as Indonesia, Japan, and United States. His work has been praised for its unique style and attention to detail and has been described as the visual representation of mindfulness and inner peace. In conclusion, Mandala's Mandela artwork is a stunning example of contemporary art that draws on traditional Indonesian motifs and spiritual practices. Mandela's artwork invites contemplation and introspection, creating a sense of peace and mindfulness in the viewers. So, this is all about today's video. I hope so you like this information and this video. If you like,